Alright everyone, PA Working Class Whitetails. Saturday before opening day of rifle season. We're heading back in the woods right now. We're hanging some stands. And we got 3 stands to hang today. Brian's, and then hanging a double for Dave and I, who I'll be videotaping.
There's Keith Rutt, one of the most dangerous hunters in the world. One shot from him and it's all over.
Got a nice scope here. There's something you don't see every day. Looks like someone's having a party back here. Alright, Brian is now completely up his tree. I turned and looked back down this creek again where that deer was. Nice buck standing right there in the creek, walking straight away from us. I tried to get it on film, but he was walking away. It wasn't spooked, just walking. Probably like 300 yards from us, but from here I could see the antlers on his head. Looked like a pretty nice deer. Hopefully he hangs around.
All right, Keith, what do you got there?
This here is the Deer Reaper. This is my Remington Mile 7600, limited edition engraved. I've had this gun since I was 13, and posted pictures of it before on my website, but yeah, that gun's the only gun I've ever hunted with since I've owned it, and I love it. It's never let me down. Brian, what are you shooting?
Got the old Mossberg bolt action 30-06 right here.
All right, that's looking good. Morning, everyone. It's November 27th, opening day, PA rifle season. We are in Powder County. It is a little chilly out this morning. We got some snow on the ground. Feels good to be back in the stand. I'm behind the camera. I've got my brother-in-law Dave here below me. Just heard our first couple of gunshots this morning, so opening day's underway. Really feel comfortable. And I really like this spot. We're in a lot of good deer sign. And we actually bumped a buck out of here yesterday. So I'm feeling good about it. Hopefully we get some deer coming through here. Get Dave's first deer. Been a little fast pace here. I was able to get video of one deer. We had a spike come in like 20 yards beside us. He must have saw us. He ran off. And then we just had about 4 or 5, what I think are doe. They ran across the top of the ridge here above us. But couldn't get the camera on him. Been a pretty good morning so far, 6 deer. I'm liking it. All right, Brian. Well, what happened here, man? What?
Well,
Woo!
got the first one. First one ever for me. Potter
Nice.
County 8-point right here.
That's what's up, man. First shot of the morning.
That was the first shot.
Yeah, I thought, man, I swear, I heard that gunshot go off. I yelled to Dave. I was like, that was Brian, man. But Dave's backpack was laying on the ground, so I had to fish my radio out to try to radio you. That's nice, dude. Congratulations, man.
Get this up on the meat pole.
Let's do it. Well, in case you couldn't tell, I'm not sitting in a tree stand. Brother-in-law Dave started, I guess, feeling a little under the weather last night. So he chose to sleep in this morning, which is the last day that I could have filmed him up here. So probably not going to have much for a video from rifle season this year, but when he gets up, we're gonna go tear down tree stands and he's gonna head home. But I think Brian and I are gonna go try to sit over his gut pile and see if we can't get a coyote or something. So fingers crossed there, we might be able to get some of that film. That'd be pretty fun, but it's unfortunate when you get sick at deer camp. It's no fun. Hopefully he feels better.